A life tenant has a duty to protect and preserve the life estate property. Generally, that means the tenant's responsible for maintenance and has to avoid damaging things. But what if the tenant doesn't pay property taxes? Is that a sufficient breach of the duty to end a life estate? That's the question in McIntyre versus Scarbrough. In 1988, Russell and Sally Scarbrough bought nearly 17 acres of land from Dillie McIntyre. McIntyre reserved a life estate in just over an acre, including a mobile home. The reservation specified that McIntyre would be responsible for paying taxes on her part of the property. McIntyre didn't pay the taxes from at least 1991 through 1994. Sally paid the overdue amount to protect her remainder interest. McIntyre was elderly and had for some time been living in a convalescent home because of health problems. McIntyre intended to return to the property, but the Scarbroughs alleged they had not seen her there since 1990 and that the property had fallen into disrepair. The Scarbroughs sued McIntyre in 1994, petitioning to terminate the life estate and establish title. The trial court entered summary judgment for the Scarbroughs, granting them immediate possession. McIntyre appealed to the Georgia Supreme Court.